Hi. If you are facing DLL error or DLL missing issue in your PC, then this video will help you a lot. No software is required. Firstly, go to Google. Search for DLL files. And head to this source. Now, I am going to check some DLL files in my PC. I need the name I will be looking the DLL file for, so, going to C drive. Then Windows and System32. There are lots of DLL files. And also if your game or any app causes DLL issues, just take the name. Here I am taking Aclui DLL. Searching it here. The file is found. Now download the file depending on your PC bit. Mine is 64-bit PC. There will be some instruction also in the download page. It's downloaded. I am opening the zipped folder. So, this is the DLL file we need, and using this will fix the issue we face. Hope this will help you to get rid of DLL issues. Please be with us and inspire. Goodbye.